His hands clawed desperately at the ancient earth, eyes wide with a feverish glint. He had to have it, whatever lay hidden beneath. Suddenly, his fingers hit something hard, a wooden chest. Rahim, a poor villager, had stumbled upon a forgotten treasure in the old ruins. Inside, shimmering gold coins spilled out. Rahim gasped, imagining a life of comfort and wealth, finally free from poverty. But as he clutched the coins, a dark thought crept in, is this all? Surely there's more treasure, even bigger riches, lurking nearby. Driven by insatiable greed, Rahim began digging again, recklessly tearing at the unstable walls of the ancient structure. A small section of the wall crumbled, narrowly missing him. He shrugged it off, convinced that the risk was worth the potential reward. Deeper inside, he saw another glimmer. More gold, he whispered, pushing further into the dark, crumbling passageway with frantic energy. Suddenly, the ground beneath him gave way with a deafening roar. The ancient roof collapsed, trapping Rahim amidst tons of rock and dust. Injured and alone, he lay in the darkness, the gold coins he had found now buried with him, unreachable. His greed had led to this. Days later, villagers found Rahim, weak and empty-handed. The treasure was gone forever, and he had learned a bitter lesson about contentment. Greed often blinds us to what we already possess, leading to the loss of everything.
एक चमकता सोने का सिक्का अमीर ताजिर के हाथ से फिसलकर गंदी नाली की तरफ तेजी से लुढ़कने लगा। ऐन जब वो गायब होने वाला था, एक छोटा कठोर हाथ तेजी से बढ़ा और इसे पकड़ लिया। ये नन्हा करीम था। ताजिर मिस्टर अहमद ने सुकून का सांस लिया, ये तवक्को करते हुए कि करीम सिक्का थोड़े इनाम के बदले वापस कर देगा। लेकिन करीम उसके पास नहीं आया, इसके बजाय इसने एक पुरज़्म तासुर के साथ अर्द-गिर्द देखा। इसने करीब ही एक बूढ़ी कांपती हुई भिखारन औरत को मुरझाए फूल बेचने की कोशिश करते देखा। सोने का सिक्का मजबूती से थामे करीम सीधा इसके पास गया और नरमी से इसे इसकी झुर्रियों वाले हाथ में रख दिया। बूढ़ी औरत ने हैरत से मुंह खोला, इसकी आंखें बेयकीनी से फैल गईं, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी रकम उसके लिए नायाब थी। मिस्टर अहमद ने ये सब दूर से देखा तो उन्हें गहरा सदमा और शर्मिंदगी का एहसास हुआ। उनके पास बेपनाह दौलत थी, फिर भी इस गरीब लड़के ने अपनी अचानक मिलने वाली किस्मत से सच्ची सखावत का मुजाहरा किया। मिस्टर अहमद चुपचाप उसके पास गए, सिक्का वापस लेने नहीं बल्कि करीम को एक बड़ा राशन का थैला और रकम देने, इस गहरे सबक के लिए इसका शुक्रिया अदा किया। सच्ची सखावत दिल से आती है, न कि जेब में मौजूद रकम की मिकदार से।
Malvi Hassan stared in disbelief at the perfectly formed Arabic letter Alif carved into a simple wooden plank, far superior to his own intricate work. For years, Malvi Hassan had been the undisputed master calligrapher in the bustling market town of Roshanabad. He often boasted of his flawless script, believing no one could match his precision and beauty. The villagers respected his skill but sometimes found his pride a little overbearing. One day, a humble old man named Karim came to him, asking for help writing a simple prayer. Karim saw Malvi Hassan's finished work, then quietly showed him the Alif he had carved himself years ago, from memory, on a rough piece of wood. Malvi Hassan felt a sudden, profound shift. Karim's Alif possessed a soulfulness his own intricate script lacked. Karim explained that true beauty comes from a humble heart and dedication, not just skill or recognition. Overwhelmed, Malvi Hassan recognized his own arrogance and the depth of wisdom in the simple old man. From that day, Malvi Hassan's calligraphy gained a new, gentle quality, reflecting his newfound humility and respect for all forms of art and wisdom. True greatness lies not in outward displays of skill, but in the quiet strength of a humble heart.